Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to apply One UI 8 3D icon on your Samsung device. So if you have any Samsung device and want to apply the One UI 8 3D icon, follow this tutorial. To apply the 3D icon pack on your latest Samsung device or any other Samsung, you need to install the third-party application. So first of all, open the Play Store on your device. So open the Play Store. Now search for the icon pack. Now after that, scroll down until you can see the icon pack studio option on your device. Make sure install icon pack studio on your device. Also make sure install the GoodLock application on your device and update with the latest version in the GoodLock application. So here you can see install the icon pack studio on my device. Now tap on the open on your device. Tap on a continue. Now tap on a continue. Now here you need to search for the pretty PRETTY. Tap on a go icon. Now scroll down until you can find the option Pretty iOS. Here you can see the option Pretty iOS. So tap on it on your Samsung device to apply the 3D icon pack on any Samsung device. Tap on the download button. Here you can use the effect shadow. Tap on the download. Now here you can see tap on it. Now you can see how it looks this 3D icon on your Samsung device. Tap on apply button at the bottom middle. Now we allow the notification on your device. Tap on a go back. Again tap on the apply button at the bottom middle. Now don't show again. Tap on OK. Now here you can see tap on your icon pack is ready. Tap on OK button. Now you can see download the APK file of the icon pack. So tap on it. Now export icon pack. Tap on install on your device. Now you can see exported the icon pack. Now here in more details you can see install without scanning option. So tap on it on your device. Unlock your phone. Now app install message on your device. So tap on the done option on your Samsung device. Now open the GoodLock application on your device. If you don't install it, just go to Play Store and search for the GoodLock application on your device and download it. Make sure install the latest version. So we already installed GoodLock. So tap on the open button on your device. In the GoodLock module, you need to install the theme park. Make sure install the theme park on your device. Here you can see the download arrow to install it on your device. So tap on the download arrow to install the theme park on your device. Now after install, tap on theme park on your phone. Now here you can see the icon option at the bottom. So tap on the icon. Now here you can see different icon pack if you already install on your device. So tap on the create new option. Now tap on the icon pack icon. Now at the bottom you can find your downloaded icon pack, exported icon pack in the third party icon pack. So tap on it on your device. Now here you can select the shape you want to apply 3D icon on your device. Here you can see the list of different. So here we select the option. So we select the star option here. Also at the bottom you can find the effect, basic effect, clean grain effect, dew tone effect, dew color, glass effect, or gradient effect. So select the effect you want to select. Here we select the basic option. Also change the icon color and tricolor. After that tap on the download arrow icon at the top right corner. Now enter any name. So we enter the name new icon pack. Tap on OK. Now here you can see set the new icon pack. So tap on it on your device. Tap on apply button to apply it on your Samsung device. Now apply it. Now go to home screen and you can see the new amazing 3D effect icon pack on your Samsung One UI 8 or any other Samsung device. So you can easily download and install the One UI 8 icon pack or apply One UI 8 3D icon to any other Samsung device using this tutorial. So you see amazing 3D icon pack, One UI 8 icon pack. So that's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.